Okay, let's just focus on the product rule with these next two questions. This is a product rule. It's one function of x here, 3x minus 1 times another function of x. And so the product rule, this is written in algebraic terms, but what does it really mean? It just means the second times the derivative of the first plus the first times the derivative of the second. So if we look at that, and just remember, it's going to be the second times the derivative of this, which is 3, plus the first times the derivative of this, which is minus 6x. So if we look at that, there it is. There's the first minus the the first times the derivative of the first bracket, which is 3, plus the first bracket, 3x plus minus 1, times the derivative of this second bracket, which when you bring the 2 down, you get 6x, but you've got to remember this minus. And then it's just a matter of making sure we multiply everything out properly. This becomes 6 minus 9x squared, and then just be careful of this minus sign here, minus 18x squared plus 6x. And then it's just collecting like terms to get that. Hopefully, once we get down to here, we don't get fooled by this minus sign. But that's what you've got to remember. That's the product rule. So let's have a look at another one. We've got the product rule again, this function of x multiplied by this function of x. So it's the product rule. So here it is over here. You're going to get the second bracket times the derivative of the first, which is 2, plus the first bracket times the derivative of the second, which is x squared. So let's see how that looks. And that's exactly what we've got. Y dash equals the second bracket multiplied by the derivative of the first plus the first bracket multiplied by the derivative of the second. And again, then it's just a matter of multiplying out. This is 2x squared minus 4 plus 4x squared minus 10x. There's a plus in the middle, so this is fairly easy. 2x squared plus 4x squared is 6x squared. You've got your minus 10x and minus 4. So remember, that's one way to look at it. The other way is I look at it as UV, VU dash plus UV dash. So it's ultraviolet, violet ultra, ultraviolet. And that's a nice way to do it too. Thanks.